Hare Krishna. Can astrology make you rich? The answer is yes and no. But the answer can never be maybe. First of all, you should understand what astrology exactly is. Astrology is the study of experiences that you're going to have, how you feel about it, how you perceive it, how you react towards that situation is what you can change. This is where you make and break your karma. This is where the remedies are done, and this is how you can change your destiny. So basically, everyone would be dealt with different cards. Some people will have a good family life but will not have a good business. Some people will have a good family life, good business, but they may have a disease or a disorder. So something or the other is going to be off in your chart. This is where I, as an astrologer, step in. What we have to do is we have to do corrective course. We have to see, okay, these are the challenges that are more likely to be appearing in the person's life, and we have to work on it. The better the astrologer is, the practical the astrologer is, the more easily you are able to solve it. But the most important thing is time. Suppose you come to an astrologer when everything has gone completely wrong. So first you have to solve what was in the past, solve what is in the current situation, and then solve that you may face in the future. But suppose you have came very early to the astrologer before the problem started, so what we can do is we can automatically prepare well ahead for the problem that is going to come into the future. So timing is also the key in getting quick result. The earlier you come, the quicker the result are. The late you come, it will take 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, but eventually you will definitely solve your problems. Now let's take an example. Suppose somebody is born in Ashwini Nakshatra, it is in the Lagna, it is in the ascendant. Now the thing is, you are going to lose out on your sibling. Now you may emotionally get disconnected from your sibling, they may go away, they may never talk to you again, or you may lose your sibling, like they may not have a good longevity written into their chart. One way or the another, you are going to be separated from your sibling. Now most important thing to understand is the same scenario can play out very differently. Suppose you are a person who's completely dependent upon the sibling. They do the business, they do all of the dealing, you are dependent upon them. When you lose this sibling, your life is going to become a disaster. You're going to emotionally suffer, physically suffer, and it is going to be problematic. Suppose you are a different kind of sibling. Both of your sibling, you and your sibling, were independent. You were married, you had your own family, they had their own family, their business work was different, yours was different. And then the loss of your sibling would definitely be there. Nobody can fulfill it, but still there will be a family to support you, to emotionally guide you. Your finances will not be it. So the same scenario can play out very differently in case of different situation. This is where astrology steps in. You can understand, okay, this is the problem you are going to get, and this is the best course that I can take, so that when this problem comes, we can solve the problem to the greater. Suppose hospitalization is written in the chart. Third house, sixth house, eighth house, 12th house. Dasha is activating this, and there's a good amount of chance that you may be hospitalized. What do you have to do? You cannot avoid this. Nobody is a god. No astrologer is god that they can do something and this can be avoided. So this can happen. The best thing you can do is you can be prepared for the situation. You can brace for impact. You can get a good health insurance or a good policy that will help you out in this situation. So you have to suffer from a health disease disorder that is there in your chart. You have to do it. But the best thing is you should not suffer from the after effects, because in today's time the situation is like this. If you're suffering from a disease, poverty, or if you're hospitalized, your savings are going to dry up, and there are good chances that you may have to borrow money from somebody else to pay the bills also. So you are hit health wise also, and you are hit financially also. This is where astrology can help you, so after effects can be controlled. There are certain scenarios where astrology would never work for you. Why it will never work for you? When you are not consistent, right? Consistency is the key to getting astrology working well for you. Like previously I gave you the example, if you're coming very late, things have already been very disturbed, your life is a mess, and then it will definitely take time to solve it. If you came very early, we can make the results very quicker. Most of the time it is also dasha. Some people have a good dasha, so automatically the results are delivered quickly to them. But then it is completely dependent upon the horoscope. I can give you a very good example to understand the situation what I'm talking about. When you go to gym, you, for the first month, 2 months, 3 months, or even for 6 months, you're not going to see a lot of physical changes, and visible changes would not be there. You would see, okay, something is changing. I'm becoming like I can do 20 reps now, I can do 25 reps now, I can do 30 reps. So slowly and steadily the things would improve. But it is not like you'll go to the gym within 6 months, you will have a shredded body, right? Same is the scenario with astrology. You have to put the right approach, right timing, and a right good astrologer, so that you are able to achieve what you want in life, right? Problems are going to come. How you are going to dodge the problem, how you're going to handle the problem, how you're going to perceive the problem, that is completely dependent upon you. And this is where astrologer and astrology helps you. Suppose a lot of work is written in your chart, you're going to have long working hours. But if you are a workaholic, that is like a boon to you. You will be very impressed. But suppose you are a person who is lazy, doesn't want to work, and then you have to work long hours, that can be a punishment for you. So same scenario, different situations, different outcome. I feel in this short video I was able to give you a very clear idea what you can do about becoming rich via astrology. There's only one solution that you can do is, before you get a good astrologer, before you get a guru, before you get somebody to guide you or to get good result out of astrology, the one remedy is mantra jap. You take a name, whatever god you like, whatever mantra you like. You can take Shri mantra, you can take Clean, you can take Ram Ram, you can take Radhe Radhe, any mantra. Take a counter like this and start chanting day in, day out. What would happen? The universe, the things, they will start supporting you. The things would be prepared for you, right? So that once you step in, you take action, everything falls in line. It would be like a domino effect. But before that, you have to do mantra jap. Start doing 1.25 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh. The ultimate goal should be doing 24 lakh of one mantra jap. Once you achieve this, automatically you see things would start improving in your life. If you don't have a guru, you'll get a guru. If you don't have an astrologer, you'll get an astrologer. So something like this would definitely happen with you. Do this and it will be a blessing in your life. I feel after listening to this video, you have a clarity on the subject and you will start improving your life immediately. If you do not understand anything, please comment. I'll reply over there and I'll bring similar videos. Till then, Hare Krishna.